Hello, hello. I've got a quick unboxing slash demo for you of one of my favorite products, actually, flashlights. Don't know why, I just have a thing for them. But this is a little tiny one, as you can see here. It's from Nitefox. It's the K3 mini keychain flashlight. On Amazon, it's $9.95 right now, prime shipping, but also there is a 15% off coupon too. So it's not bad. It is the K3 mini keychain AAA flashlight, multi-purpose as camplight, tablelight, 150 lumens, 3 levels, and strobe. Small, bright, waterproof torch for EDC, reading, sleep, dog, walking, camping, hiking, emergency. Yes, that was the entire name on Amazon. But again, 150 lumens, 3 levels with the strobe, and it does have the little cover as well. Comes in a plastic box, as you can see, you know, a little carry case here, so you can keep it in here for protection if you wanted to. But the idea, of course, it's for a keychain, a silica gel pack. But we have our instruction guide, Nitefox K3 mini keychain. Tells you about it, how to use it, etc. And here it is. Here it uses a single AAA battery. Here is the diffuser lens, or what diffuser? It just clips on like so. And that's it. In the little bag, we have an extra rubber O-ring for it, as it's IPX8 waterproof, actually, so you can, like, you know, pretty much drown it, it'll still work. Here's a little clip that comes with it too, so you can, you know, just like clip it on your visor or something like that, which I think I'm gonna do for my car. I'm just gonna clip it on the inside, just to have it there. And also here is the keychain piece as well. Sorry, I cut my finger since I have a band-aid on there, so it's hard to do anything here for me without using that finger. It's weird. But anyway, here is the keychain with the ring, and here's the extra O-ring, and here's our little pen-like clip, as it were. Here is the flashlight. Here's our lens. Here's the back. You can put your little ring through there. It says Nitefox on there. Now to turn it on, you twist off and on. There is a you know, rubber O-ring there. There is no back on it, as in it doesn't open. The back doesn't open. It's a AAA battery. So when you put it in like so, oops. Now that's strobe, obviously. Yeah, that's how you do it. That's right. Okay, so turn the light off, obviously, but to change your levels, you real quick, sorry, you twist it. See, now we're on low, again medium, again high, and then there's strobe. It's like a double twist for strobe, and then off, or back to low, medium, high, and it's really bright, actually. It's extremely bright for a little tiny light like this. It's not bad. And if you're curious, it is hard to turn, so it won't come on by itself, you know, and it won't come on, it won't loosen, or the lid won't fall off by itself either. Oh, here's the cap here, the diffuser. So if we do that, let me turn the light back off. There it is there, and there it is brighter again. So, you know, the idea is you can, you know, use it as a little lamp or something like that for camping or whatever. I like this little diffuser. It's kind of cool. All right. Anyway, that's it for the Nitefox K3. It does seem very well made and nice knurled aluminum. It's aircraft grade aluminum, I believe. That's what you get. Anodized coating. Type 3 aluminum alloy, or no, it's aluminum alloy Type 3 anodized coating, IPX8 waterproof, which is pretty much waterproof for everything. They on Amazon, they have a picture of it in a little fish tank being turned on. Anyway, that's it. Nitefox K3. Very nice little light for $10. I think it's well worth it, especially with the coupon. Down below, you'll see the link to go to the Amazon page. And then there's a little thing, you can check the box to apply the coupon to the purchase. So it's not bad. So you're paying, what, $8.50, something like that? Or, no, yeah, 15% off, yeah, $8.50. Whatever. Anyway, Nitefox K3, thanks.